Hello, today this is Matt with Cardatello.
This is Caitlin with Cardatello.
And we got another Champions Path, this time a Dubwool Champions Path collection box. We're each going to open a box worth. So this is exciting. Day number 2 for Champions Path for us. Good preview of what these packs are like. So far they're awesome. And this comes with a giant Dubwool and a normal Dubwool. It's a pretty good card. I wish its attack only took 2 energy, but it's alright.
I like the giant promo cards that they have.
Oh. It is Dubwool. The Revenge Blast. Pretty good attack.
I'm just struggling with the package over here. It's the hardest part for me.
Giant Dubwool. I'm feeling a little sheepish.
Oh my gosh.
There's code
card. Giant Dubwool. We were talking about wallpapering our place with some giant promo cards. Let us know what you think in the comments about that.
Alright, first pack. I'm just getting started. This is exciting. Boom, Champions Path. Code card. Here we go. Lightning Energy. Milo. Rotom Phone. Beedrill. Sizzlepede. Roly-Coly. Inkay. Nickit. Hatena. Vulpix Reverse Hollow. Nice, and a Galarian Cursola V for
Nice.
It's pretty cool.
Starting off good. Open the first pack. Look at the art on that one.
Yeah, pretty sweet. Dubwool approves.
My first pack. Got a Energy, Rotom Phone, Hyper Potion, Victini, Pokeball, Potion, Rockruff, Hatena, Trubbish, Reverse Hollow Kakuna,
Nice. Oh,
and a holographic Marnie. I think your Cursola beats that. That's still good.
Alright, pack number 2 for me. Code Champions Path. Dark Energy, Pierce, Lightbird, Kabu, Scraggy, Galarian Zigzagoon, Sizzlepede, Pokeball, Inkay, Carvana, Reverse Hollow.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, and a Dreadnought V. There we go.
Full art.
Pretty awesome.
Nice.
And
I'm
we have
getting
2 of
jealous.
these.
Yeah, because we got one of those yesterday when we were opening them. Oh, some full art cards.
Boom. 2 V's in my box. These boxes are awesome. I think some people don't like the Dubwool, but the cards are still great inside.
They're still the same packs. Okay, we got a Fire Energy, Pokemon Center Lady, Sharpedo, Beady, Purloin, Scraggy, Full Heal, Hatena, Machop, Absol, and a Scrafty holographic. I guess it's Absol. I went a little fast. It's reverse hollow, but another holographic. Getting jealous of your packs.
You should be.
Right? Code card. Happy viewers, right?
Yep. Energy, Turffield Stadium, Milo, Rotom Phone, Sizzlepede, Machop, Roly-Coly, Full Heal, another Machop, Reverse Hollow. And a Marnie to go with the other Marnie. Gotta getting ready for a deck of Marnies. Come on, your turn to pull a V. Come on, V.
All right. Okay, we got Energy, Beedrill, Hop.
Hop to it.
Turffield Stadium, Carvana, Ekans, Nickit, Roly-Coly, Scraggy, Reverse Hollow, Great Ball, and then
Wow.
a Graplocked V.
Full
art. I don't have to be jealous anymore. It's pretty cool.
Good one.
Alright, so we've already got 3 Vs, 2 full arts, and all the Marnies you could ever ask for.
Dubwool is where it's at, I'm telling you. Champions Path. Energy, Absol, Beatty, Kabu, Hatena, Trubbish, Nickit, Machop again, doing the splits, Purloin. Wow.
Oh, nice.
Shiny Energy.
That's actually a cool looking one. Usually I don't care as much about those.
And a Duraludon V.
Nice.
Wow. A lot of these Pokemon have hard coat or solid shell or whatever Dubwool has. Soft wool. 30 damage less. Well, that's pretty awesome.
I hope I'm as lucky as you. Did you get a V in every pack? Oh, you got 1 Marnie. And then that's pretty good.
Boom. And a shiny Energy. Right about that one.
Yeah, that's cool. That actually is really cool. I'll put that in my deck. Okay, Energy, Kabu, Arbok, Sharpedo, Purloin, Full Heal, Galarian Linoon, Vulpix, Rockruff, Reverse Hollow Rotom Phone, and a Zygarde. I think I got one of these yesterday, maybe.
So my box had 3 Vs and a shiny Energy.
Mine had all the other ones, all the holographics, and then Graplocked.
So far, these cards are awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, check out
Like and subscribe. Showing them off upside down.
I know, right? They're much better upside down. Oh my gosh, and I missed one back here. Is this from today?
That's the double.
Oh, that came in the box. Yeah, so here we go.
I still think the Energy's one.
Yeah, that Energy's really cool. There we go. There's all our good ones. I like the
Crushed
Dreadnought
it.
V full art. Let us know what your favorite card was. Final code card. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.